Okay, right, in this video I'm testing out the supposed brightness difference that you get with the GoPro Hero 3 versus the GoPro Hero 2. So just now, this is in the GoPro Hero 3 Plus Black Edition, the most recent one that's come out. And now, over here, that's the video footage with GoPro Hero 2, both of them shooting at 1080p 30 frames a second. I'm shooting inside my car at about 6:30 at night in Scotland in October. So 6:30 in Scotland in October is pretty darn dark. All you're really seeing is light from the outdoor street lights, but also with the car lights on, that's the brightness difference. However, the main thing about this is I want to see the difference in quality that you get when we swap the GoPro Hero 3 from its normal in-camera settings to its Pro Tune settings. Okay, so what to do is in a couple seconds we'll change that over. Here it goes. Okay, so now the GoPro Hero 3 Plus Black Edition is now recording in Pro Tune settings. This should mean that there's more dynamic range in the whole file. It should be a flatter file, so less punchy and all that stuff. However, there's a potential that there's more information that's being caught on my face. Maybe you can see that was an orange and now it's a green light for me to go forward on. And it's more, so this test really is to see that there's a difference between the GoPro Hero 2 versus the GoPro Hero 3, and then even within the 3 there's a difference between the Pro Tune and the non-Pro Tune settings. So it's more to see, what I'll do is also I'll edit the Pro Tune settings, see if I can make them any better, because it might just be a bit too flat, but otherwise I think that it is capturing more detail in the shadows, and there is a lot more light which is being captured just from things around. So all these cars that are driving past, maybe the cars in front of me, the street lights, maybe there is definitely more detail being captured. So there you go, hope that helps. Bye bye.